Welcome student. Today I am going to explain two stanzas of Education of Nature written by William Wordsworth. The first stanza: 3 years she grew in sun and shower. Then nature said, a lovelier flower on earth was never shown. This child I to myself will take. She shall be mine, and I will make a lady of my own. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Education of Nature, composed by William Wordsworth. Context: the poet tells us how nature plans to bring up Lucy. Explanation: Lucy lived in the open space of nature. She had grown for 3 years. She was very beautiful. Her beauty could not be compared with anyone in the whole world. Nature decided to adopt this little child, and Lucy would be nature's own child. Nature would like to teach Lucy according to her own plan, and in this way Lucy would be a perfect cultured lady. तीन वर्ष तक की लूसी प्राकृतिक वातावरण में बढ़ती रही। तब प्रकृति ने कहा, इससे अधिक सुंदर फूल पृथ्वी पर कभी नहीं बोया गया, नहीं खिला, अर्थात ऐसी बच्ची पृथ्वी पर पैदा इसके पहले कभी नहीं हुई। यहाँ वर्ड मीनिंग्स: shower means light rains, bouchard. Sun and shower, open space of nature. Lovelier flowers, this refers to Lucy, who was very beautiful. Lady of my own, Lucy will develop into modest and disciplined lady according to the plan of nature. The second stanza: myself will to my darling be, both law and impulse, and with me the girl in rock and plain, in earth and heaven, in glade and bower, shall feel an overseeing power to kindle and restrain. Reference: these lines have been taken from the poem Education of Nature, composed by William Wordsworth. Context: the poet describes how nature would like to teach and train Lucy, her adopted beautiful little child. Explanation: Lucy, a little child, is very dear to nature. Nature will educate her. She will teach Lucy to enjoy freedom usually and to keep control over herself. Lucy will go on a visit to different places: mountains, plains, earth, sky, and other places like the shadowy trees and places between the two rows of thickly ground bushes. Nature would allow her restricted freedom. She would watch all her activities. Since nature's spirit pervades every lifeless object, Lucy feels her spirit everywhere. This unexpected power will inspire Lucy to perform her noble actions. there will be a check over Lucy's activities and she would not be able to do anything wrong. Some word meanings in Hindi. Darling bee, shall be greatly beloved. Law and impulse. Lucy will have full freedom as well as self-discipline and self-control, but she will never misuse the freedom. Rock and plain. At the rocky places and plain areas. In glade and bower, shadowy place under and between rows of trees. Overseeing, supervising. To kindle, aspire. Restrain, check, नियंत्रित करना. Today I have finished 2 stanzas of your poetry, Education of Nature, composed by William Wordsworth. Thank you. Goodbye, student.